Welcome back to another video by Top Business. From the very beginning, Amazon has been one of the biggest platforms of buying and selling stuff online. What makes it so great is the fact that since it's available all around the world, the users are not restricted to just one local region. Anyone from around the globe can use it at any time. This makes it not just a shopping platform, but also an excellent business interface that allows a lot of users to earn some quick money. Amazon offers a large variety of programs to select from, which will help you in earning money easily. Today, we will be discussing the top 15 ways to make money on Amazon. Make sure you stay until number 1 to see the best of what we have in store for you. Number 15. Deliver with Amazon Flex. Did you know that Amazon has their own delivery service? You may have probably noticed these delivery people driving around your neighborhood. With Amazon Flex, you can apply as a part-time driver for Amazon. You just need to be a licensed driver. Most of these drivers earn around $18 to $25 an hour, which isn't too bad. These earnings will be tracked through the Amazon Flex mobile app for your convenience. This is a highly flexible job, as the name suggests. You can create your own schedule and view available opportunities 7 days a week. Number 14. Sell products with Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This means as a seller, you will ship your items to Amazon's warehouse, where they will take care of the rest of the shipping for you. This might cost more than shipping it yourself, but it is the better option if you've got a high volume of sales. Being a seller on Amazon takes a little bit of research, but it can bring you in a decent monthly salary. It also takes a bit of investment, but if you run your numbers right and do your research, you can make some extra income. Number 13. Retail arbitrage. The basic idea of retail arbitrage is pretty much buying low and selling high, which is the opposite of private labeling. This can actually turn out to be a really lucrative way of selling. This can range from a side hustle to a full-blown way of making a living, but you can also sell a wide variety of items with this technique. Many people that use this technique will try to avoid shipping costs to boost profits. To do this, they'll just drive straight to the location selling the items they want to buy and get them directly instead of ordering online. You can even just buy clearance items from stores like Walmart and sell them on Amazon. Check it out, the profits can be surprising. Number 12. Use Amazon Associates for affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates program is a way to earn some extra income without selling anything directly as a seller. This service works for existing websites and blogs. The program works by allowing you to earn up to 10% in advertising fees from qualifying purchasers. To do this, you will have to write about the product, and anytime someone clicks on the link to purchase that item on Amazon, you will get a commission. You can check Amazon's site for a full list of commissions per product. This can be great to use if you have a high traffic site with lots of clicks. It's simple to join and get approved, so try it out now. Number 11. Sell wholesale products. Amazon Business is a program that allows you to sell wholesale products. Instead of selling to targeted customers, you can sell in bulk. This marketplace allows business customers to access special prices while shopping in bulk on Amazon. This marketplace gives you unique business features. You can accept requests for quotes, for example. You can also display different quality and diversity qualifications on your page. This is a great place to sell because 55 different Fortune 100 companies use Amazon Business. In addition, 50% of the biggest hospitals in the United States and over 40% of governments in densely populated areas buy products using this program. This means that there is a lot of different products that you can sell, and you can make a great earning. Number 10. Join Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is similar to the popular website Clickworker. This is Amazon's way of giving you money in exchange for small tasks. It is a crowdsourcing platform that needs people to complete tasks that computers simply cannot do. Amazon calls it human intelligence task. You just need a stable internet connection and a few minutes of time on your hands. The tasks range from transcription to data entry to many other mindless tasks. You don't even need any special skills to complete these. Check it out now and start earning. Number 9. Sell professional services. This might not be well known, but you can actually sell professional services on Amazon. Yes, this is absolutely possible. This can be done through Amazon's services. To join, you won't need to pay any fees. You only pay a portion of the revenue share for completed jobs. There are many popular services to sell in categories such as apparel and jewelry, business, education, pets, and many more. You can join as a freelancer or as a registered business. If you've got skills in any of their categories, try it out and see that extra income come in. Number 8. Work from home as an Amazon representative. Amazon also offers you the option for working from the comfort of your own home. How? Become a remote Amazon representative. Amazon's customer service team supports 16 different languages and has over 130 locations worldwide. Many of these customer service employees work remotely. You too can become an Amazon virtual customer service representative and work from the comfort of your own home. They always update their customer service associate jobs, so check up on it to see if you qualify for any of their part-time or full-time jobs. You can also then apply easily online. Number 7. Create custom merchandise with Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a great tool, especially for people who have design ideas but lack the resources to create their products. Let's say, for example, if you have a t-shirt idea but no screen printing kit or equipment, Merch can help. You will just need to upload your design and select a product type and color. You will then get a product page. Amazon will then take care of all the shipping, production, and customer service. It's a great service to use, but just keep in mind that not everyone is eligible for this, so fill out an application and see if you get accepted into the program. Number 6. Become an influencer. Influencers can be found anywhere on the web. They're found on Instagram, Twitter, and on just about any other social media website. Amazon provides an affiliate program that isn't connected to the Amazon Affiliates program named Amazon Influencers. This is a program that is used to promote Amazon items. Promotions are done via Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It requires you to be an existing influencer with a large following. They will then ask you to promote a product. This will benefit both you and Amazon. You need to qualify as an approved influencer first, and when you do, Amazon will give you a unique URL that will lead to your own Amazon page. This page showcases products that you will then recommend to your followers. Every purchase made through this page will earn you a commission. This is a great way to boost your earnings and following as an influencer. Number 5. Sell products under Amazon's private brands. Amazon Accelerator is an Amazon program that provides incentive for manufacturers to create their own brands. Using this, you will sell products exclusively on Amazon as a private brand supplier. Amazon will help you through the entire process, and they will also be giving you useful tools in order to create your brand. Marketing is also a service they offer help with. If you don't know what products to sell, you can use Amazon's product testing and use customer feedback to see what works. This is a great tool to use to make some big bucks. Number 4. Publish books. If you have a flair for writing and possess knowledge and skills to teach others, why not write a book? And then, why not try publishing that book through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing? This is a service used by Amazon that allows you to publish your books easily. You can earn cash from your writing once people start buying your books. You can set your own prices for all of your self-published books. It only takes about 5 minutes to publish, and it'll be on the Kindle stores across the globe in about 24 to 48 hours. You will then be earning 70% of royalties from these sales, and then you can make changes to your content at any time. This is for ebooks, but check out CreateSpace if you'd like to publish physical copies too. Number 3. Sell handmade goods. If you have a crafty side and can make handmade products, you can also make some money. Did you know you can sell some directly through Amazon? With Amazon Handmade, you can start selling with your craft skills. Sellers from more than 80 different countries are now selling through Amazon Handmade. Amazon uses an artisan-only application and auditing process to ensure that the products being sold are all legitimately handmade. Unlike some other handmade craft selling sites, there's no upfront or hidden fees. You've just got to pay a 15% fee once you make a sale. Since this is always in demand, you can start selling fast. Just set up a shop and then choose your selling price. Then you'll be all set to sell. Number 2. Trade in used goods. This method won't get you ready cash, but it does have good compensation. If you have used books, gadgets, or games, you can trade them in and Amazon will pay you with an Amazon gift card. If you want to make some cash, you can then use this gift card for retail arbitrage and buy cheap items to sell. This is an easy and efficient option if you've got lots of used items you just want to get rid of, but don't want to set up a bunch of listings or hold a garage sale. Just gather these items up and Amazon will give you an estimate on how much you will earn in store credits. Number 1. Write reviews for Amazon Vine. This again isn't a way to earn in terms of money, but you can earn free products. Amazon Vine is a program where Amazon rewards you with free products in exchange for reviews. This is a way to encourage honest reviews and unbiased ones at that on their website. You can be eligible for this program if you've already written a lot of helpful reviews. You won't be forced to write a good review just because you got the product for free. They want honest opinions, and that's what helps with their business. All the while, you get free stuff. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!